This is Volkswagen 2025 Jetta Highline. Car looks very nice from the outside. It's beautiful, but the trouble is it's a very bad customer service after you buy the car. I bought this car and you see this right rear tire have air leak, and I paid over $2,400 for this warranty for tire wear and tear for 4 years. And I called them at the dealership, and they said, okay, bring it in on 25th of August, 2 weeks after I called. So I said, what's the point of getting warranty? Just for tire leak, you want me to pay $3 morning and evening to fill the air in the tire until I come here to fix it? They say, yeah, we don't have anybody right now, and next appointment available is 25th. So they said, or in Toronto there's a lot of dealership, maybe they can take me quickly. So I came next week, Toronto, Mississauga. I called the dealership and they said, come after 1 week. Then I was upset. I said, this is nonsense. What's the point of getting warranty? Then they give me an appointment immediately within 1 hour. So I went there. So the representative told me that, oh, you bought the vehicle less than 1 month ago, so there's a blackout period for any tire repair. So I have to check with the company, and you might have to pay about $80 to fix the air leak, and that's the minimum cost. Or if they need to change the tire, they will change the tire, but I have to pay upfront, and you can do the warranty later on. It's very, very annoying, very upsetting. No wonder why the showroom here at the Volkswagen is empty, while other dealers like Toyota and Honda have people lining up for 2 years to get the car. And it's so ridiculous service. I will suggest, do not buy Volkswagen or do not buy warranty if you have to go through that. Better you pay somewhere else to fix your problem outside at the shop than coming to the dealership. So that's my view. It's a good car to drive, and it's good on mileage, giving a very good mileage compared to Toyota Corolla, and a good price. But when you come to service, it's disgusting, and service matters. People pay more for service and quality. That all matters when you need it the most. So I hope you like this video, and you can share with other people, and give me any comment if you like, and make sure check before you buy and you see what you are paying for. That's my message. Thanks for watching, and all the best.